We finally have my dream mixing setup installed here at my home church. Our team has been installing the Avantis in a bunch of other churches, and I get jealous every time until now I finally have it myself. And let me explain why I ultimately landed on this being the best solution. And after one Sunday of using it, I feel like I was proved right, because my biggest gripe with the Waves ecosystem of gear is, although it is some of the best gear and software for processing and mixing audio, I don't think it is very friendly for a permanent install environment. And yes, there are things you guys have mentioned before, like, oh, just get a Waves to Dante converter, get this and that. I'm like, yeah, we could, but like, to me, I want to go with an ecosystem and a manufacturer that makes things that are better suited for permanent install. Allen Heath is the king of that. I don't care what you say, they're the best at it. So we've got this great console, which is a great, I would say, like a great mid-tier option, right? Because the next step up here is going to be a D-Live if we need a bunch more channels and a bunch more buses and processing. But for the level of the size of band we have and what we're doing here in this church, the Avantis is great. We have no room in this tech booth. This is not even a tech booth. It's a tech table, very skinny, small table. So we needed something that was a very small, compact form factor. And then I was able to then expand on this with other Allen and Heath gear. So in addition to the Avantis, we are using the AHM32. It's an audio processing matrix mixer that's going to be in the rack back there. And that is one of the coolest tools for install integration for churches. The AHM is a great tool to be a processor. It's essentially like having another little rack mount mixing console that gives us so much flexibility and integration. I'm gonna get a couple custom control panels for it. I'm gonna have one here, I'm gonna have one in the lobby so that people here don't have to touch the Avantis. They can come here and be like, turn mic on and turn music on, or something simple as that. Go around the back mat and show them what we got going on back here. So in the back of the Avantis, we've got the 2 option cards. This is why I really love this console, because now you have, it's such a compact form factor. You've got so much power going on. You get your S-Link for all of your Allen Heath I/O with the GX48 stage boxes and the other stage boxes they make. I'll show you that in a minute. We've got our Dante card. This is a 64 by 64. They do make a 128 by 128, it's just more expensive. We didn't need that high of a channel count here. And then we've got the Waves audio card as well. So we are not giving up on Waves, we are just using it in a different way. We have Waves Super Rack now running. So I use the same Waves scope computer and the Extreme server, I think it's the Extreme C server, as our processor to then take audio from this console, send it over the Waves sound grid into the scope computer back there. It gets processed in real time, low latency, and then it gets sent back to the channels, the buses. Asa is the mastermind behind setting this up. I'll let him show you someday how he configured it, how he's processing and mixing things, but it gives him a really powerful tool and a combination of tools as a mix engineer.